Awesome.
What's all this gear you're wearing?
What's that?
What's all your gear you're wearing?
Parachute gear.
Yeah, what? Are you getting ready to go jump out of that airplane?
Jumping out of a perfectly good airplane.
Why in the world would you do something that crazy?
Because it was my birthday.
Well, happy birthday, brother. You're going to celebrate it in style.
The only way to go.
Heck yeah. You got anything to say to anybody watching the video?
I love my wife. I love my kids. She got to set up for me, and we're going to have a fun day.
Awesome.
I'm ready for Patrick to take me sky.
Yeah, there he is. Patrick's a man. All right, brother, let's go have some fun in the sky. Yeah. All right, buddy, are you ready?
Get it.
Let's go get him.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, no second thoughts or anything?
No, let's go.
No? Are you worried at all about anything?
I'm in good hands with Patrick.
All right, if you say so. Any last words before we go?
I think that's what he tells me.
Yeah, yeah. So you got any last words before we go?
Let's have fun.
Let's do it. All right. Beautiful, man, beautiful. What did you think of that? Hell yeah. What was the best part?
Oh man, jumping out.
Yeah?
It's going.
So you want to do this again then?
Yeah.
Awesome.
Great, thank you.
Congratulations, buddy. Welcome to the sky.
I love it. Thank you very much.